多少管你还剩对你的刚刚看那的关ก็รู้ว่าไว้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนหลักทุกสิ่งไปต่อจากวันนี้ให้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างกันในทุกวันก็รู้ไว้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนหลักทุกสิ่งไปให้เป็นสีชมพูต่อจากวันนี้ให้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างกันในทุกวันก็รู้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนหลักทุกสิ่งไปต่อจากวันนี้ให้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างกันในทุกวันก็รู้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนหลักทุกสิ่งไปให้เป็นสีชมพู
Okay guys, time check, 9:24 a.m. Day 21 of our uninterrupted vacation. At nagre-ready na po kami para sa aming swimming. Pero kumakain muna ang mga chikiting na napakakulit. Kasi ito po ang aming kusinera for today's video. Papakita natin yung kanyang mga naluto. Meron po kami kasama Mayor. Wait. Mayor, pakita ka Mayor. Oh, rebanded si Mayor, di ba? So, ito po ang aming babaunin. So, ayan po ang aming mga babaunin. Talong, okra, Shanghai, may isda doon sa gilid. Tapos, may itlog na maalat pa. Ayan, tapos may kanin and all. So, preparing for our outing. Pag dumating po ang aming service, bibidyo din natin. So, nandito na po ang aming taga-bili ng aming mga dadalahin. So, let's go guys. Di pa kami tapos mag-prepare. See you later. Okay guys, naka-prepare na kami. Everyone. Kami ay mga pang ano na. So, hinihintay na lang namin yung sasakyan. At meron kami dito na nag-aayos for the swimsuit yarn. Hinihintay na lang namin yung sasakyan at kami ay aalis na. Let's go! Okay, let's go ate, tingin. Let's go! Okay, yan po ang aming ka-convoy. Tara!
2,000 years later.
Okay, we're here, Christine Mountain. So guys, we're here. Okay? So, solo po namin ang resort for today's video. Tuesday namin pinili mag-swimming. Sinadya ko talaga na hindi weekend para at least hindi masyadong madaming tao. Okay? Let's go. So guys, katatapos lang namin kumain. And nag-swimming na kami. Let's go.
4 hours later.
So, let's go guys. Uwian na. Ate! Nagkadyan ka ate? Wow. So, time check. 3:25 at kami pauwi na. Let's go! Time check, 4:04 at kami po ay nakauwi na ng bahay. At bagsak. So, papahinga lang. And then, mamaya na ulit ang next update. Bye! So, may bata pong naglalaro ng tablet. JK, hi ikaw! Hi! Anong ginagawa mo? Naglalaro. Ng ano? Ng tablet. Wow, galing ah.
2,000 years later.
So guys, time check. It's already 6:09 at ako'y nakatulog. So, for today's video, ako ay mag-e-edit. Kasi, nasa day 19 pa lang yung ine-edit ko. Day 21 na tayo. Hindi ko pa siya na-upload. Okay, yan guys. Nag-e-edit ako. So, charge muna yung aking cellphone. Kasi baka biglang mag-brown out. So, see you guys later.
4 hours later.
Okay guys, it's already 9:56 at nakahiga na kami ni na ate. So, nakakapagod ang buong araw dahil kami ay nag-swimming. Ay, ang batang yan, nakakita ng unggoy. Ano sabi ng unggoy, JK? Oh. Ano sabi? Oh. Oh. So, matutulog na kami guys. So, see you tomorrow for another vlog. And that's it of our day 21 of uninterrupted vacation. So, see you tomorrow. Bye!